So welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about CIMA UK. So CIMA UK is also called as Chartered Institute of Management Accountants UK. The focus of this course is on management accounting, strategy, IFRS and risk management. The country of origin is UK and it's like recognized in almost in all countries, especially in Middle East, Singapore, Malaysia and in Australia and countries like these, mostly in Commonwealth countries. So with CIMA qualification, you can enter into jobs like budgeting, financial planning, business analyst jobs in manufacturing and service sector, as well as you can work in KPO shared services companies. So it's quite a useful kind of a qualification. So what's the entry qualification to enter into CIMA? So you need to complete at least school level, 12th standard like that, and also you can also enter during your degree or even after the completion of your degree. So that's about the course entry here. But for every course entry, whether you go to school level, the number of subjects differ, and if you're going to go enter into CIMA after or before your degree, again the number of exemptions and subjects will differ. So we shall look at that also. So the total number of subjects in CIMA is going to be 16, and if you're going to enter from school level, you will be having all the 16 subjects you have to study. So if you are going to enter during the study of your degree or after your degree, okay, the degree has to be like BCom or BBA like that. In that case, you can enter at this level. The first 4 papers are exempted. You don't need to write this certificate in business analyst. Okay, this paper you don't need to write. You just have to start it from this particular level, okay, operational level. So you will be like having 12 subjects in total. The number of exams windows are 4 times in a year. So the exams appear in February, May, August and November. And some of these exams are like you can take it whenever you want, right? So you can take it whenever you want, and certain exams are having this time windows. So you have to, out of this 4 papers, 3 papers can be written anytime you want, and 1 paper alone will be like based upon this exam windows. So in every level, so if you take the certificate BA, that's like all 4 exams can be taken anytime. In operational level, management and strategic level, 3 papers can be taken at any point or in a year, and 1 paper alone you have to take it in a particular window. So that's about the subjects and their examination. The next one is minimum years to complete this course. So this is a long duration course. It will take a very long time. For example, the total number of years would be 6 years. Okay, we have put it as 2 to 4 years. That's like wrong. The number of total years would take 6 years, because it will take at least 3 years for you to complete the examination, and you definitely need 3 years of work experience. So put together it would be like 6 years of time. But of course what you can do is you can simultaneously work and also study. So that means this course can be completed within 3 years also, but that's going to be like very tough for you. But still people are studying in that manner only. They work and also they study for CIMA. So the average pass percentage, if you take, it's going to be 25% to 70%, and it's going to be subject wise. So some subjects have a very higher pass percentage and some have a lower pass percentage. But the 70% is actually a very higher pass percentage. For example, the 70% would be like available for the certificate BA level. Okay, so that is at 70. As and when you progress, the percentage will fall down. So this would be like something like 50%, this would be like 40%, and this would be like 25%. So as you go up on the levels, the pass percentage will fall down. So that's about the average pass rate. The membership fee would be around 30,000. So every year you have to pay. After clearing these exams, you have to pay 30,000, and when you become a member, you have to pay this amount, and it's an every year amount. So only till you pay this amount, you will be a member of this course. If you do not pay, your membership will be revoked or cancelled. So it's like compulsory. Let's see the practical training years. Practical training years is around 3 years of work experience you need. So again, it's not going to be any experience, it's a relevant experience. So CIMA tells that certain jobs only they recognize as a work experience. So you have to be an accountant, management accountant, like that. So you have to first see what is the relevant work experience they require, and you have to search for those jobs and then submit your practical training experience. So that's about the exam structure and work structure. Let's look at the fees. So the fees all put together here. Okay, we have broken down all the fees from registration, subscription. This subscription is an yearly amount. So every year till you are a student, you have to pay 12,300. Once you have become a member, you have to pay 30,000, like that. So I've only taken it as once. Okay, but it will take you have to like multiply it by the number of years you are going to be student. So I think it would be like 2 years or 3 years, means multiply this amount by 2 or 3 for how many years you would be student. So these are the exams and these are the exam fees. So all these are like various exam levels and exam fee. So the total exam fee alone comes to 2,330 GBP. So I've assumed that the pound, the British pound, is going to be 1 pound is 100 rupees. In that case, the cost would come to 2,33,000 and the total fees will come to 2,54,000. Books are extra. Overall, approximately the course will cost you, including the books, around 3 lakhs. Okay, it's going to cost you in 3 lakhs, but it's going to be from 3 lakhs only the cost is going to be. So it can be between 3 lakhs to 3 lakh 50,000, right? It's going to be 3 lakh to 3 lakh 50,000. But please remember, this fees includes only the books and exam registration fees. It does not include the coaching fees. Okay, so you have to, if you require, you have to join separately for classes, and that is going to be also costly because each subject requires at least 15,000 or something for teaching or coaching purposes. So you have to take that cost also into account. So you guys can reach me at my website. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. I am very active on LinkedIn, and you can also reach me at Twitter. So if you guys really like the video, put a like for us and share it with your friends who might find it useful. So if you guys have any queries or questions, post it in the comment section. We'll be like happy to answer them. If you guys have any other ideas for further videos, you can put it in the comment section. We'll be like creating a new video on that topic also. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.